Hi, I'm Eli Martinez, editor of Shark Diver Magazine, and this is my video blog for sharkdivermag.com. This is totally off topic today, but it's just something really cool, and I just, thought it was pretty insane, and I wanted to share. Every night, thousands upon thousands of birds come in every night to roost, and they go competing over these 4 trees, and it happens every night. It's pretty insane looking. So I came out here, brought the GoPro, and you can kind of see above head happening right now where the birds are coming in to roost, and now they're just going to be fighting over the best spots in the trees. So I know it's off topic. I'm not really a birder, but this is just badass. I mean, it's really cool to see, and I usually get crapped on when I come and try to film this, but I really wanted to get a GoPro's perspective of what it looked like, and I thought I would share it with you guys because, this is not something you see every day, and it's really cool. So here you get to see. I'm not going to take you through the whole thing, but I'll give you some highlights of what this insanity looks like. Absolutely amazing scene, man. I know this is, like I said, completely off topic. It's not sharks, man, but this is still pretty damn cool. Here I stand, completely shit on by birds, but it was so worth it, man. What a beautiful sight.